They say you only spot Dubai's best investment place before the crowds do. And right now, quietly brewing on the upper edge of Business Bay is one of them. Last year, over 200,000 new residents moved to Dubai. 68% of them were under 45. That's not villa buyers, that's your short-term tenants, your remote professionals, and your smart renters, chasing lifestyle and location. And where are they looking? Business Bay? Why? Because they're just 5 minutes from downtown. Business Bay clocked 14.2% ROI in the past 12 months. Dubai's top 3 performing areas right behind JVC and Creek Harbour. And that's without a beach. That's without rooftop pools. That's without a lifestyle master plan. So what happens when you take all of that and drop it into Bengati Aquarise? One master community built with an artificial beach at its heart, and yes, some apartments even have private pools on their balconies. This is not a brochure fluff. This is that kind of inventory that gets scooped up in hours once it hits international headlines. And you know what I love the most about the city? It's not just the glamour, it's the way Dubai keeps rewriting its skyline and investment rules all at once. Now let's talk about the location of Bengati Aquarise. You're not in a clogged core of Business Bay, you're right on the edge with seamless access to Al Khail Road. You're bang on the Al Khail Road. There's 5 minutes to Burj Khalifa, 15 minutes to airport, and 20 minutes to Marina. It changes everything, especially for end users and short-term tenants who want access without stress. Now step into the lifestyle. This isn't just concrete and glass. This is Bengati's boldest concept yet. Artificial beach, boutique retail, cafes, rooftop amenities. This is the community vision of Atlantis the Royal, but adapted for investors and residents who want smart luxury in the city's core. Now here, imagine 2-bedroom with its own pool. This isn't just a lifestyle bragging rights. This is short-term rental gold. And that's what smart investors are after. Assets that serve multiple outcomes: live in, rent long, flip later. Let's layer in some of the data. Business Bay hit 12.7% last year. That's not forecast, that's actually appreciation. And it's consistent. Unlike hype-fueled areas that swing by, Business Bay holds. Because demand is structural. It's where tourism, tech, and trade converge. Now add the government's 2040 vision. The goal is 7.8 million residents. And guess what? Most of the population will live and work around places like Business Bay, near the metro, the canal, the hotels, downtown. That's why I am bullish on Aquarise. While others look for the cheapest deal, you look for growth. And in 2027, where this project is handed over, when the next wave of population hits in, you'll have a product that's positioned right where the city is flowing. And they're offering a flexible payment plan. So today the offer is 50-50. You just pay 50% during construction, 50% on handover. That is 0.3% monthly with 10% down payment if you're a UAE resident. Now this is just valid for a few more days. Today is 4th of July, so probably 2 more days. But their standard payment plan is 70-30. That's 70% during construction, 30% on handover. Business Bay is outperforming the pace already, but unlike JLT, it's central, walkable, and surrounded by high-end tourism. That's why Airbnb yields here crossing 9 to 10%, with some top-performing units pushing even higher. So here's the question: do you want the obvious or the overlooked edge that turns into a portfolio anchor? Because Bengati Aquarise is that kind of a product that rents fast, resales high, and fits perfectly in both lifestyle and yield-focused portfolios. Now, we are not talking about any other developer. We're talking about Bengati, one of a government-backed developer who has shown remarkable result in their different kind of projects. This product, where they've come up with the unique amenities, they've come up with unique concept here in Business Bay. Now, if you're ready to review the floor plan, see how your private pool works, and get the pricing which is currently, and avail the offer of the payment plan, and I'm here for you. Message me Aquarise on WhatsApp and let's break it down together. See, Dubai moves fast, but those who move with that are the smart investors. So this was all about Bengati Aquarise. If you're interested or want to know more, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.